What if Anika could keep track of all that she did to grow such a beautiful plant? And share her experience with other grows all over the world. What if she could immediately change direction in order to reinvigorate her frail little plants?
After 2 years of research and efforts, we have developed a fully automated open-source indoor greenhouse allowing anyone to grow their plants in home. This greenhouse is completely a new method of consuming indoor growing. The parameters that you can control are lighting, ventilation, nutrition, temperature, humidity and soil pH. Being specialized in lighting design, the core of our aim is the unique light engine. You'll be able to control the light intensity, light exposure over time and the exact spectrum the plant needs for the best photosynthetic activation.
By monitoring the photosynthesis process carefully, the system grows lettuce 2.5 times faster than an outdoor farm. It also cuts waste product by 40% and productivity per square foot is up 100-fold. The special LED fixtures emit light at wavelengths optimal for plant growth. Purple lighting is used to mimic night. For example, while the white lights are adjusted slowly throughout the day to mimic a sun moving through the sky. The environment is also monitored, including temperature, humidity and irrigation. By doing so, the farm has cut its water usage to just 1% of the amount needed by outdoor fields.
Ventilation is fully customized using 2 independent fans. You can reject early from greenhouse or recycle the air inside or consume the air around from the wind. Now, a program called electronic-driven power is used to dose water and nutrition. A net of sensors let you be aware of internal temperature, humidity, soil acidity and plenty of other details. Maybe we can establish a new branch of botanical science through growing automation.
World population is set to hit 9.7 billion by the year 2050, with India overtaking China as the world's most populous country within 7 years, where 55% of India's population amounting to 900 million people would move to cities by 2050, according to UN estimates. Applying the most conservative estimates to current demographic trends, India's population will increase to 1.7 billion people by 2050. New agricultural lands will be needed to grow enough food to feed them, if traditional farming practices continue as they are practiced today. At present, in India, over 60% of the land that is suitable for raising crops is in use, but, due to poor management practices, a share of that has been laid waste. With a fast population growth rate, India requires a robust and modernized agriculture technology. Since the scope for increasing cultivable land is limited. To meet the food grain requirements of the nation, agricultural productivity and its growth has to be sustained and improved. While the traditional techniques use too much energy and water and the output is too little, Smart Indoor Greenhouse is a creative, home-built soil-less cultivation method in highly oxygenated, nutrient-enriched environment. Smart Greenhouse can be an ideal commercial business if managed correctly with right expectations. The investment return is also very encouraging. Duration of yield is also very short as compared to traditional cultivation. Smart Greenhouse makes use of easy facilities, resource-efficient and cost-effective cultures and systems to allow effective use of land, nutrient, water and labor in a comfortable and sanitary working condition. The prevailing irrigation facility in our country does not support the traditional, sustainable and lucrative agriculture in areas of drought and other natural calamities. Smart greenhouse technology of farming consumes far too less percentage of water required for any other form of agriculture, and it also increases the yield drastically. Smart greenhouse farming presents a unique investment opportunity as it aims to revolutionize our understanding of food production and urban development.